Hello, Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Medium School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, oral sheet practice. So let's see. Class 3, subject English literature, topic oral sheet practice, term annual, lecture 14, no SW. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, you already know what oral sheet is. So in this oral sheet, I will have given you some questions. You have to memorize the questions at home, and in the exam we will ask the questions. We will ask at least 6 or 7 questions to you, and you will have to answer the questions orally. So this is oral test or oral exam. So read the oral sheet very carefully and take preparation for the exam. So let's see. Class 3 subject English literature sheet for oral test annual examination 2020. Number 1, who was watching cartoons? Answer, the little girl was watching cartoons. Number 2, what did the little girl have for breakfast? Answer, the little girl had a plate of pancakes, a bottle of syrup and a glass of orange juice for breakfast. Number 3, where did the sky woman live? Answer, the sky woman lived in the skyland. Number 4, what did the hawk see ahead of them? Answer, hawk saw a small house ahead of them. Number 5, how many bags did the sky woman give the animals? Answer, the sky woman gave the animals 3 bags. Number 6, what were the things Amit was good at? Answer, Amit was good at his school work and sports too. Number 7, what was the announcement that Amit's teachers made? Answer, Amit's teachers made an announcement that they were going on a camping trip. Number 8, when did Amit forget his worries? Answer, Amit forgot all his worries when he got into the bus with his friends. Number 9, who comforted Bijoy? Answer, Amit comforted Bijoy, forgetting his own fear. Number 10, who is the author of the story I'm Not Scared Anymore? Answer, Santhini Govindan is the author of the story I'm Not Scared Anymore. Number 11, who is the poet of sunshine? Answer, the poet of sunshine is Rose Flint. There will be a space after is. Okay. 12, according to Birbal, what would a man do for money? Answer, according to Birbal, a man would do anything for money. 13, what was Akbar's challenge to Birbal? Answer, Akbar challenged to Birbal to find a man who would spend a whole night in the cold lake for money. 14, what type of person did Birbal look for to meet up the challenge? Answer, Birbal looked for a very poor man who would do anything for money. Number 15, who wrote the poem Shining Things? Answer, Elizabeth Gould. 16, what is the lovely thought of God in shining things? Answer, to make things shine is the lovely thought of God. 17, who wanted to build a new castle? Answer, the king in the play The Lost Camel wanted to build a new palace because his neighbors, the king of Pachu, was building a new palace. So palace and castle are the same word, okay, the synonymous. Number 18, why did the king dismiss the ministers? Answer, because the ministers were trying to convince the king not to torture his people for building an unnecessary new palace. Number 19, how did ministers describe the camel? Answer, the minister could exactly describe the camel noticing signs on the road. 20, why did the man take the ministers to the king? Answer, because he thought that the ministers stole his camel, as they could describe the camel very accurately. So my dear students, that's all for today. I am not giving you any SW today. So read the oral sheet very carefully, read the all units very carefully, all questions very carefully, and take a good preparations for the annual examinations. That's all for today. about your parents, stay safe, stay well. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.